How to share screen on Snapchat video call. If any day you're a Snapchat user and you would like to share your screen on the Snapchat video call but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. After you launch the very Snapchat application on your very mobile device, you have to go to the message like icon on your mobile device. After you go to the very message like icon on your mobile device, you have to go to the search like icon and search the very person that you would like to video call with. After you search the very person, now you have to tap on the option of video call, and after you tap on the option of the video call, now you can see that you can just call the person. Now what you can do is you have to go to the option of the call, and after you tap on the option call, the person will be contacted. Now here you can see the option of the very share the screen. You have to tap on that and then go to the option of start now, and after you tap on the option of the start now, here you can also share your video screen on the very video call. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.